Welcome back to LaNise Spicey, and we're glad to have you. If you're not already a part of the LaNise Spicey fam, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and just go ahead and smash that like button, because I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Today, we're going to be making a healthy, vegan-friendly chocolate ice cream alternative, which is perfect for the summertime heat, and it's perfect if you're trying to reach some health goals or anything like that. This is the perfect treat for you. It's cold, delicious, creamy, and healthy. Well, the first tip is to freeze your bananas ahead of time by putting them in little pieces, maybe put them in the freezer. This will help it to be much more creamier. The consistency of basically this, alternative chocolate ice cream. But I, of course, did not do that because I was in a rush. But now I'm adding some almond milk, and it's still going to taste good even without it being frozen, but it just adds a little extra. So now I'm adding the cacao powder. I'm just doing like 2 scoops, and this is going to give it a lovely chocolate flavor. Now, the older the bananas, the better, the sweeter it'll be with natural sugars instead of refined sugars. And you'll see here, I'm just adding a little more ice to it, and this is really just going to give it that ice cream, that slushy, ice, cold, summer treat that's so refreshing. As you can see as I'm stirring it, it is thick, it is very thick. And if those bananas were frozen, it'd be even thicker. But it's really good. I'm just mixing that together, and voila, there you go. We have a chocolate ice cream alternative that tastes amazing. Look at it, it's very thick. Yeah, it's very thick. Kind of reminds me of a Frosty from Wendy's. But this is a healthy one, so you don't have to feel bad about it. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate all the support from all of you guys. And I just want to say, until next time, spice out, guys. All right, y'all take it easy. Bye.